Joey,
Eh?
you want a dog?
Yeah, I'll take a dog. Where you gonna get a dog?
Down at the Two Cat Kitchen, it's time for us to pitch in and start another Two Cat show. Down at the Two Cat Kitchen, we're starting on a mission to put you in the culinary know. We've got the finest recipes you ever will find, guaranteed to show you all a mighty fine time here at the Two Cat Kitchen. Time for a new edition of the Culinary Two Cat Show. The Culinary Two Cat Show.
Welcome to the Two Cat Kitchen, the show that mixes musical mayhem with culinary calamity. Well, that's great. Thanks, Cathy, for sharing that with us. But now on the Two Cat Kitchen, it's time to get into our recipe for today. And all our special guests bring a recipe to the kitchen. And no exception here. We're in the kitchen. And what do you have for us for our recipe today, Cathy?
Well, I thought for the Two Cat Kitchen, we'd have a 2-ingredient recipe. And I've got chocolate tofu pie.
Chocolate tofu pie. What are the 2 ingredients?
Chocolate and tofu.
Makes total sense.
Quite sophisticated.
That's excellent. Very good to keep things simple for the Two Cat Kitchen.
Covers all the food groups.
Yeah, definitely. Those are
One
the
dish
2.
meal.
That's right.
Now, I would have never thought about combining chocolate and tofu. Now, where did this recipe come from? Is this an old family recipe?
Yeah, it came from I don't know, probably some Thanksgiving dinner like 25 years ago. I remember an elder member who came and brought this recipe, and it was so easy and delicious. And and we've always been vegetarian, so, tofu is something we sort of work with, cook with, but this was like the combination of chocolate and tofu was a winning combination.
I have to say, I've never tried that. Have you ever?
No. I mean, I've heard of it,
Well,
but
you're gonna try it.
That's really that's anything with chocolate is ace.
There you go. And tofu tastes like nothing until you put something in it.
Right.
So,
Right.
yeah.
Excellent.
All right, so walk us through the ingredients. What do we need?
All right. So we have semi-sweet chocolate chips that we put into a double boiler.
How many? What's the quantity here?
Probably, I think the recipe says like 1.5 cups. So you can put 2 cups in because it's the Two Cat Kitchen.
That's true.
2 cups of
Yeah, I
chocolate.
always up the chocolate, to be honest with you.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Okay, so 2 cups chocolate.
Yep,
Those are
and
chocolate
then,
chips. Any particular? No, we don't.
Semi-sweet.
Semi-sweet.
Just whatever
Not
kind
totally
you like.
sweet. You ever notice that you can never get like 100% sweet?
No.
Chocolate
It's a
morsel.
percentage of
Semi-sweet.
You know.
It's like
like
Yeah.
chocolate walks through the room, but it's not in the ingredient.
whatever happened to the totally sweet?
Forget about it.
Never. You never see that.
Semi for me.
Okay, what else do we
Right,
have
and
here?
then Organic tofu.
Organic tofu.
silken. Don't
silken.
get the hard stuff.
Oh yeah.
The silken is
You want
really
the soft.
And
Yeah.
you cut through that.
Oh, Cathy's cutting the container. Yes, nice
And
job.
then
And here comes the
you open
tofu.
it up.
It is
and
out.
you stick it in the
Do you have to drain it
blender.
beforehand? Oh,
No, actually, there's not a lot of water in the silken tofu, but yeah, definitely drain it.
drain
up.
it. Okay, she's draining it a little
And
bit.
then
Cathy's
you-
draining it. Now she's
And then
putting
I'll
the
put it
tofu
into the blender. Into the blender.
into the blender. It goes into a blender?
It goes into a blender.
Why do you put it in a blender?
Like it's Cuisinart.
Oh yeah. It's a Cuisinart. Okay,
Okay,
good.
Yeah, no.
blend it. It's already been blended here for the Two Cat Kitchen for sake of time.
Right, exactly,
Good.
exactly.
So now we're-
So put the melted chocolate.
All right, we
then.
have the chocolate has been melting over the
and
double
it's
boiler,
melting.
correct?
Oh, it smells so good.
Yes.
And you
gotta
just
love melting.
scoop that melted chocolate right into the blender on top of the tofu.
Yeah.
And then you lock the top on. And you just blend it. 1,
Blend
2,
it.
3. And then you take the spatula, rub around, make sure it's all getting blended again. then you take it
For
out.
those of you wondering, Kathy is reenacting the blending because she's already
The
blended.
blending sound, I like that.
Then
She
you
didn't
take
want to
your
operate any heavy
spatula.
equipment with the chicken and the cats around here.
So
guys.
we have a pie crust.
You have, yes.
Okay.
Oh, that's
Ah.
the third ingredient, the pie crust.
Pie
which
crust.
you
We
can
need a
get.
pie crust. Just a standard. This is look like a standard.
But it's a
Absolutely.
2-inch pie crust.
2 inch.
It's
yeah.
2.
That's
No,
right.
it's a
Counts as
standard.
two-cat.
Two-cat.
2 inch.
For the two-cat kitchen.
Perfect.
What
And
type
then
of
you
pie
just,
crust is this?
It's a
This-
graham cracker.
Oh,
graham cracker.
sweeter the better.
But you could do ginger snap or
Mm-hmm.
whatever you like. Cause
So
it's
we want
chocolate.
a sweet type pie crust.
crust.
We don't want a savory pie crust. And this,
No,
and this is not going to be
definitely
baked,
not
so it needs to be
Right,
something that you can
exactly.
eat.
That is right.
So now I see you're scooping in the
Yep.
Scooping the
blended
chocolate
tofu and
into
chocolate
the
mix,
Yep, and just
spreading it,
spreading it all around there.
This is
putting a
then-
little swirly design on it. That's good. I like that
right,
touch.
that's
Nice finished
right.
touch. I guess you could carve your initials in there, but you don't have to.
yeah. I know you're trying to keep things simple for the cats here, but
Yeah.
this is a really simple recipe. I don't know.
And then you like
The
you
cats
put
will
the
not
top
mess this
back
one up.
on, right? The plastic
Okay, you got
lid.
a cover. Yeah.
Okay,
'Cause you
so
can
putting a
refrigerate
plastic.
it.
Oh, because the pie crust came with a plastic lid.
That's right.
Very
So like,
convenient.
Yes.
Okay.
so I'm putting that on,
Okay.
and you have to refrigerate it for like
We've had a kind of
3
a
or 4 hours or something.
So you really want to
3 or 4 hour
solidify.
refrigeration.
Yeah, but not freeze it in the refrigerator.
Right, right. So you got to plan ahead a little bit here.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're going in the refrigerator so we can get that.
yeah.
Bring that over to the fridge, shall we?
All right.
Oh, here it goes. Bottom shelf, or it doesn't
There.
matter?
Yeah. Bottom shelf.
Okay.
Bottom shelf is
Top
All right.
shelf. Top shelf. Bottom shelf.
great.
All right, so now we have to wait 3 or 4 hours.
Dun,
Yeah.
dun, dun.
Do you know any good jokes?
Not 3 or 4 hours worth.
Time to take the tofu pie out of the fridge.
All right.
Looking forward to this.
Ooh, it's nice and solid.
Woo.
Chocolate tofu pie.
3 to 4 hours, you said, right?
That's right. That's
All right,
right.
let's take a look.
Okay, let's see how it looks.
Fantastic.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful. Beautiful. You guys ready for a piece?
Oh, absolutely.
Check this out. Oh, I see an image of 2 cats in there. Look at that.
I saw Mary. Gosh. Okay.
Glad she could make it.
Right. All right.
All right, we're
So
slicing.
1/2 for Rick, 1/2.
Yeah, right. Rick will eat a half for sure. Oh, look at that. The slice is nice.
Yes.
Ooh,
nice.
it cuts up pretty good.
So,
This
is
idea.
that
Cream.
okay?
Oh, God, yeah.
Yeah,
Oof, It's going to
okay.
be dinner, man. Look
All
at that.
right. Well,
Wow.
it is because it's
Beautiful.
like got the vegetable, the tofu.
That's true. That's
Yeah,
true.
she's got a
It's
pie server. Look at
Look at
that.
that.
Solid chocolate. I
There-
love that.
solid. Here, let me take that off your hands, Kathy.
Okay,
No problem.
okay.
Aw, thank you.
There you go.
Oh, that looks great.
Rick,
Yeah, a
same
little smaller
size.
maybe for me, but that's fine.
Mm.
Fractions wasn't my forte.
Hey. Pie squared.
Right.
Look at that.
All right.
All right, I'm gonna start taste testing here. Be careful.
What do you think?
Oh my God.
Ah, thank you so much.
There you go.
Wow.
Whoa.
Is that all
Amazing.
right? Just 2 ingredients and the pie crust, you know.
It's
It's
light.
hard to imagine that you can get something this good out of just 2 ingredients. Well, yeah, and the pie crust too.
One you can't go wrong with, right?
Ah,
Yummy. Wow.
very nice texture.
All right.
Wow.
Yay.
Well, Kathy, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank
Here
you,
on the
Rick.
Two Cat
You
Kitchen.
did.
Oh,
Two
my
Cat
pleasure.
Kitchen.
So glad you could make it.
And bringing your chocolate tofu pie.
Unbelievable.
Yeah. It's always fun in the 2 Cat Kitchen.
It